Hi Divination, this is Aless Design. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to set up your cart page. To do this, go to your pages, find the cart page and click Edit. Okay, choose Use Existing Content and click the plus button. Let the layouts load, and now click your saved layouts. Find the cart layout and click on it. It will load up. Now, as you can see, all different sections are uploaded, and click Update. Wait it to update, and let's check how our cart page looks like. Great, it's ready. Here you can see we have an extra element. Just go here, delete it, click Update, wait it to update, refresh the page, and you're ready. Now, when you put something in your cart, it will appear here, and you're ready to go. Thank you, Divination. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.